First trip of 2020. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's your girl J Crochet and I'm coming back with another video. Let's pack. So y'all, I got a round trip Spirit flight. I got a round trip Spirit flight to Vegas for $130. I leave tomorrow and come back Monday. I am so excited because at first I didn't think I would get the days off. I'm going with my family, celebrate my big brother's 40th birthday, and I didn't think I would get the days off, and they approved my days at work, and I hurry up and booked the trip, especially when I saw that it was $130 round trip, but it's Spirit. I've never flown Spirit before. I've heard a lot of horror stories. Maybe that's why I'm so nervous. And then another thing, I'm getting on the flight by myself. This will be my first time flying Spirit and then going alone. So here we go. So booking a trip was fine. It was I booked the trip and then I went to choose my seat. And that was like an extra $13 to $15. I think the highest I saw was like $27. I'm like, what the heck? I booked the flight. Now I gotta choose a seat and pay for that. So what my coworker did, because my coworker told me about Google Flights. That's how I booked the trip, through Google Flights. So he told me to let them pick the seat for you. The plane is not that crowded. So hopefully I'll get a seat that I like. I like a aisle seat or a window seat. I don't like being in the middle because I got broad shoulders and I'm be so tight like this. But anyways, okay, going past the picking the seat, and then I look at the what do you call that? I go on Spirit's website, $74 for a carry-on. A carry-on, $74. That's going and coming. So who paying $74 for a little bag? And I'm going for a weekend, so I'm gonna pack a small bag. So for Spirit, this is considered a personal item. So what I'm gonna do is stuff my whole weekend in this guest weekender bag. Watch me do it. Okay, so I have everything that I'm going to pack laid out on my bed, and I'm going to use the roll method to put them in my bag. But first I'm going to start off at the bottom. I'm going to put the shoes down because of course shoes pack the most germs and they nasty. So I'm packing one pair of tennis shoes, one pair of flats, and one pair of heels. I'm going to wear my tennis shoes down there, so of course I'm not putting my tennis shoes in my bag. Next is going to be the bulky items. It's supposed to be cold in Vegas this weekend. Well, like a little chilly, cool in Vegas. So, of course, I'm going to pack jackets. This is the thickest one, this jean jacket. So, I'm going to put this down in there first. And I don't know how to, I can't roll this. Let's see. Then next I'm gonna put my outfits in. Outfits, and of course my underwear, but they can go in little small bags. I can ball them up and put them in here. Like 3 outfits in here, and I still got room. Okay, next will be at the top, like my most important stuff, the stuff that I need easy access to, like my ID, my medication, hand sanitizer. I'm gonna put these at the very top. Last time I caught the flu when I took a flight, and we don't realize how nasty like the airports are. You sit down, people you know, be all up in the seats and nasty germs all over. So I'm wiping my seat down this time. I need a daggone mask. But put this at the top. This is my toiletry bag. I have my toothbrush, toothpaste, my spray, deodorant, face wipes, hair ties, and like my bonnets and stuff like that. Tie my hair up, and my makeup bag. I don't wear a lot of makeup. Like I wear lip liner, eyeliner, lipstick, lip gloss, and maybe like a little bit of foundation. I'll put that at the top. Let's close her up. Let's see what we got. Hey, that rhymes a little bit. Okay, and here we go. My whole weekend in this bag. And Spirit better not charge me no damn $74 for this bag. Okay, hope y'all enjoyed my small little, I guess it's not a tutorial, my small little packing tip video. Let me know how y'all liked it. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and share please. And then I will also be vlogging my trip, so stay tuned and join in on the journey.